I don't know why they are so hurry. Congress party is committed for this, and we want proper discussion, deliberation within the system. And without clarity, only to take the political advantage, BJP and the AD is trying to do this. It is unfair, but we are here to help the women of this country. That is what Sonia Gandhi had moved a bill and we passed it. And why I think they feel insecure, I think.
Tamil Nadu is also opposing the delimitation,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. There was no need of such type of delimitation issue now.
So
Yes,
you
sir,
are
Mr.
heading to
Satish
Delhi,
Jarkoli
sir.
met
Yes, huh?
Mr.
You are
Satish
heading to Delhi.
Jarkoli.
You have the set of leaders already there,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Myself
Asking
and
for a
CM.
cabinet reshuffle, sir. Will you be able to take this up, sir?
Not now. Till 23rd, we are not going to discuss anything. We have to first finish our elections. This is our priority. Now we are going to myself, Chief Minister, we are having a program from Bridge to Bangalore. We have invited various companies, ambassadors, and various dignitaries of the world who are in Delhi. So that is from our ITPT ministry is heading there, is organizing that. So we both are going to represent people.
Mr. Satish Jarkoli met you, sir.
Of course, he is our leader. We will have to work together. Our aim is to bring back 28. To take it from me, 28. The Congress government is will be in power.
Once again, you are confident, sir.
Not 1%. I am 1000% confident.